So Victor, I downloaded the AMscope driver and software to this computer here. That's also not on the internet, by the way. And I first plugged in the camera. Did not work. Then I installed the Twain setup, then the cam, the shows setup, and then the AMscope. And sure enough, I can start AMscope. I'd like you to, next time you come here, make sure you use this computer, not your computer, and that you make the USB cable go to the back of this computer instead of the front. So here's the computer, and it's hooked up to the front. Please hook it up to the back. And you can either put a second monitor on here or turn this monitor to that side so that you can run your experiments. But this works very easily without internet. So that's it.